legends, today we have a WM Statesman in and we have ESP off and stability control off. So I've had a look in the scan tool, in anti-lock brakes and traction control. No codes present. History codes, that would be from having the ECM disconnected earlier and the battery disconnected. So this problem's actually being caused by the engine control module having P0101 logged. So that's directly to do with the engine mass airflow sensor. So I'll just show you quickly. If I clear that code, come up to the dash, now the ESP and traction control are working, but as soon as I go for a drive it pops straight back up again. So what you'll want to do first is have a look at your mass airflow sensor. You're able to clean them. They sell sprays that you can clean the hot wire with, or if you even use a small earbud cleaner and just drag it along the wire very gently to get any oil or dirt that may be on it off. And if that fails, you're probably going to be looking at a new airflow meter. So on these Alloytech engines, the airflow meter is right here, directly after your engine air filter and before your throttle body into the engine. So we're going to pop this off, have a look, see if we can see any dirt or debris causing the issue. So there's the airflow meter. Directly behind that, it's a bit hard to see, is the hot wire, just there. So you can actually see, it looks like there's a bit of green death on the end of that wire there. That might even be causing problems. So we'll try to get a clean up and see if we get a result. Okay, so there's the hot wire. Try and focus on it for you. Can visually see there's a lot of build-up of dirt and grime, and there's signs of water contamination with that green death on the ends. So we'll clean it up, see if we can salvage it, or it might need a new one. Go to town on it. That spray evaporates really quickly. As you can see, that looks a lot better already. I'll give it a bit more of a clean up and then we'll chuck it back in. All right, so that's all cleaned up. We'll chuck this back together. So there you go, guys. That has fixed our problem. I've done about 10 kilometers now. No lights have come back on. Before it would come on after about 30 seconds of driving, so it's definitely rectified the issue. So probably 90% of the time, dirty airflow meter will be the cause of P0101. The remaining 10% of the time, it's going to be a vacuum leak, air intake leak, or a failed airflow meter. So I hope that helps some of you guys out. Cheers.